What's up, you guys? It's Isaac here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you guys a full honest review and full breakdown of Graham Stephan's YouTube Creator Academy course, and if you should buy it and if it's worth the whole $397 for you. So make sure you guys stay to the end, because in this video I'm going to give you the whole breakdown of what is in his course and my honest review. So let's get right into it. Graham's course consists of 520 minutes and 4 seconds, which totals to over 8.5 hours of content, of knowledge for you to get from him and learn how you can jumpstart your YouTube creating career. So I had to watch all the 8.5 hours of content to be able to make this video. So I'd really appreciate if you guys smash that like button down below, and it'd mean a lot to me also if you guys could subscribe. At the beginning of the course, he has more of the basic stuff of what to do really before you start, or what you can try to do start now. He tried to line his whole course up in sections perfectly, so it's what you want to learn now, and then it's kind of like once you are making videos and stuff, and what you should do to optimize your videos and optimize your channel on how to grow it. So in the beginning, he kind of tells you about different camera lighting and sound equipment and how that should be really thought of, and how the importance of it. And then he kind of talked about a little bit about hate, because there's always going to be people that are going to hate on you, and how to just really push through that and don't quit through it, and how to like deal with all the hate comments and everything, because he's already went through that. He right now has over, I think it's 2.5 million subscribers, so he's definitely dealt with some hate, and especially at the beginning. I remember him talking a lot about how he had to like deal with some of these weird hate comments, and how what he did, and some of them really pissed him off, and how he dealt with them. So he goes over like what to do with hate and how you can train yourself to not really get so bummed over them, and really just focus on creating your content consistently. Then he gets really into creating on how to plan out your videos, and some of the things he has done in the past, and what he still may do is how he plans his videos out just so he can, focus on knowing what to say and when to say it at the perfect time, just so it structures the video and makes it all entertaining, and it wouldn't be all like jumbled around, and he wouldn't be saying one thing here and another thing over here, and it just kind of like makes it more structured in the way he gives out his content. Then he goes on a little bit about setting up your channel, so like your channel dashboard and all these different things, like your little thumbnail thing and your face icon. And he really tells you on how to kind of create and what you should have on those, and different examples, and what he gives advice on the different examples and what he likes or not, and what kind of would create a good channel art kind of stuff. After the basic stuff, he kind of gets more into like after you create your videos, like the SEO and the how you can get your traffic to watch your videos, and how you can kind of post your videos and put different tags and thumbnails and your title, your description, and all that stuff to try to optimize your video to get to more people and reach out to more audience, so you can get people to actually watch your videos like you want to. Yeah, he talks a little bit about when to post, because sometimes there's certain times actually do better, and for him, I don't remember exactly what time. Well, you're gonna have to figure it out by buying his course, but he talks about the different times and how the times have actually helped his channel grow a little bit more than if he posted at the other times he used to be posting at, and at these new times he kind of gets a lot more views. He then later goes on more about the YouTube algorithm, and he really is interested, like really interested in the YouTube algorithm and how it all works, and how he can like work out the system, and how you can like make sure his video gets the best like pushed out there. And he's just really into that stuff, and I kind of like that stuff too. It was really interesting to see the information he had to say about the YouTube algorithm, and how you can make sure your video gets more pushed than other people's, and what you can do. And he talks about what like different types of stuff go into viral content to make sure you get like millions of views, and he can't really give you the exact ways you can get a million views, because it's like kind of up to you and how your channel like kind of blows up. Some people blow up immediately, and some people take a lot. Like Mr. Beast, he used to post consistently, but he never got any really good views. He always just kind of got really low views, and now he's like at 50 million subscribers or whatever it is. Maybe he's almost there, and he's getting millions and tens of millions of views per video now. So he kind of took a long time to blow up, but it ended up happening. So he kind of tells you a little bit about what goes into viral content, and maybe you could learn from it and make some yourself. He also then goes into like some monetizing and making money with YouTube, and what the different CPMs are and how that all works. So usually when there's different types of channels that actually make different amounts of money compared to their 1,000 views. So he also shows you some of those and what like kind of channels do more than the others. I really thought his course had a lot of good content, and I really enjoyed watching it, and it kind of gave me more confidence that I would know what I'm doing and how to optimize my channel and work on my channel a little bit better, and just have that knowledge a little bit more. Even though I had a lot of understanding beforehand, which is why I was kind of like, maybe I don't need this, but there was just some things. Maybe it's like if like even if I knew it before, him kind of saying it in there kind of just helped me even more by like knowing that's like what to actually do, and if it's actually gonna like do anything, or what it actually means to me, you know what I mean? So it's like it gave me a really good confidence boost of knowing what to actually put in each video and what to do with my channel. So that's another way I would recommend buying his course, is just for like the confidence of knowing what to do with it, with your channel, and how you can grow it a little bit better. But even he says that yes, you can definitely find this info for free somewhere, and he knows that, but in his course, it's so structured and so nice the way he puts it out there. You can just find all the good information right there. So it's not like you have to look for hours and hours searching the YouTube world and trying to find different things. It's all right there. You can pay for the course, and then it's all listed. And then you can even go back to that again and find it really easily of what information you want, because he has it all listed in different categories, and he has different videos in different sections. So you don't have to go through an hour-long video and try to find the different information. He really gives like off a really good raw content available to you right there. So that's another reason why I would really recommend this course, because it's all right there. And yes, you could go find it somewhere else, but that's what really courses sometimes are, where other people have made free videos on YouTube and have made free blogs or whatever, but all the content that you want is right there, and it could help you even more than just those other content that talks about the ways you can grow your channel. Because this is all like really, he goes into really analytical stuff towards the end, and how you can, you know, every little thing to boost your channel up, even just the slightest bit, can help a lot after you like take a little bit here. He just kind of helps you like grow a little bit more. And he also goes over what kind of things he did when he was really small, and how to get even his first 100 subscribers. And then that kind of like helped him grow even more, because he got those 100 subscribers to watch his videos, which helped him kind of like get his videos more out there. And really that's like where you want to start. Like you really want to know how you can get your first 50, 100, and then 1,000 subscribers, and how you can just optimize your channel to be able to even get out to more reach and work with the YouTube algorithm, not against it, and have YouTube push your videos for you, so you don't have to do all the marketing yourself to your videos. Yeah, for me, I knew a lot of the information that was already in the course, but just listening to it again, it kind of gave me that like reassurance of like, yeah, that's really nice information. And there was actually some things I didn't quite know about, and he kind of just like went over them, and it really helped me a lot. So is it worth it? Really? Is it worth the money? I would say yes, definitely. I got it when he had the Black Friday sale just a week ago or whatever, and I saved the $200 off it was, but usually he doesn't do a lot of sales, so I wouldn't really wait as long or as you can until he puts out another sale, or if he's going to. I would just, if it is kind of like you don't have the money, and you maybe want to look at the free content first, or if you don't have money to start up, okay, that's fine. But he has a pretty good content, and if with YouTube, you can definitely make this money back as long as you post consistently and are really motivated and can do this every day or work on it every week or whatever it is to grow your content, and you would definitely make your money back from it. So I would really recommend this course. It's a very nice course, I think. One thing I would say, and I know some other people have said, is like he doesn't really put much new content in it. I feel like he should put maybe a little bit more new information now, just because I think it's been about a year since he made the course, and he definitely has learned a lot more from YouTube. So I feel like he should add a little bit more to the course, just because he has had more time and experience with it, and things change all the time, especially from a year from now. And if there's any information that he could put out there, I would really love it if he could. That would be great. So I'm going to definitely keep this course. There is a, I think a 20 or 30 day money back guarantee if you really didn't like it at all. I wouldn't recommend just trying to go on there and do it for free. I would recommend being very honest. If you actually don't like it and it doesn't do anything to you, for fine, you can just go and get your refund. But I'm going to definitely keep this course. It's something I can go back to, and if he ever adds stuff on, good new information onto it, I can get the new information, and I can always just watch the whole thing just to get a refresher, maybe if I'm slacking on some stuff, and then I'm like, oh yeah, I should do that. I think that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope that kind of gave you a better understanding about his course. So make sure you go subscribe to Graham Stephan, and I love his channel so much. I watch all of his videos, and his course was amazing. Comment any questions you have about the course, or what you what you think about it, or whatever, down below. Just because I already went through the whole course, I'm not going to give you every information details about it, but if you have some questions, leave them down below. And finally, subscribe to my channel please, and give this video a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it, to push out to more people so they can see this video, so they can know if they should get Graham's course. And let me know if you bought Graham's course because of this video down below. I'd be really appreciate that. Also, go check out my other videos. Go check out my channel, my other videos. I would definitely start posting more consistently and more videos weekly, so go check that out. I hope you guys have a good day and take care.